Hey, what's up? My name's Sean. I usually talk about mixed martial arts and integrating multiple disciplines. Today, I'm going to go over the two basic foundational combos in Muay Thai. The jab, cross, hook, low kick, the cross, hook, cross, switch kick. These are the two most basic foundational combos, and from there, you can branch off and add elbows and knees as well. I'm going to stand in the southpaw stance so it's easier for you to see. But this is great to throw while you're in mid-range. You don't want to throw too close or you're going to suffocate your kick, and then that kick will have to turn into a knee. If you throw that kick too close, then you're at risk of hurting your knee. So these two combos are perfect for your mid-range. The first thing that you want to do is you want to find out the right distance. So I throw out my jab and I just take a mental note of what that space is. Over time, you'll start to visually be able to just notice a distance without having to use the jab. But for here, I'm going to start off with the jab. This is the perfect range for me to start throwing this combo. So I have my jab, my cross, my hook, leg kick. Now this hook is going to be a little bit longer. If I was closer in, my hook would be a lot shorter. But again, we're going to throw our jab, cross, hook, leg kick. Now watch my front leg when I throw that kick. When I throw that kick, I turn my foot with it, which then snaps my hip. You don't want to keep your leg straight or you're going to hurt your knee. So I turn with the kick. Now to add a little bit more power to that kick, I even throw a tiny little hop in. So I'll go whoosh. So start nice and slow, okay? Jab, cross. You want your punches to almost be completely straight. You want just a little bit of a bend in the elbow, and that's the perfect distance. So I have my jab, cross, hook, kick. Now when I throw that kick, I keep my jab hand up on my head and I swing my cross hand down with the kick to add torque. I take my head and I angle it off the side. That way if my opponent is punching me while I'm kicking, they miss. You never want to stand straight up. You're going to get punched in the face. So jab, cross, hook. This hand comes up and down off the side. So a little bit faster. One more time. Jab, cross, hook. Again, jab, cross, hook. There's a lot of moving parts in that, so start slow. Start with a jab, cross, hook, step off, swing the hand, make sure that this hand is up on my head. Now, we have the cross, hook, cross. Now, when I'm ending on the cross, naturally, my hips want to throw the switch kick. So the footwork for a switch kick, I take my front foot, and as I'm bringing this one back to where my back foot is, this foot is replacing it. And as you can see, my foot is angled off to the side where I'm going to be turning as well. Again, you do not want to go straight. If you have a straight foot like this, you risk hurting your knee. So here, it's like the Irish jig. Boom. So practice this just a few times, okay? When you're in the right spot, you can throw the kick. So I'll do it nice and slow here. Cross, hook, cross, Irish jig, switch front kick. Okay? One more time. Cross, hook, cross, switch kick. Again. So same thing like on the other side. My back hand's going to stay up on my head, and the leg and side of my body that's kicking, that hand is going to swing down, okay? And I'm going to try to get my head off that line here. So nice and slow. Cross, hook, cross, switch, kick. The best way to train these combos is one after another. So I'll start like this. Make sure my distance is right. Jab, cross, hook, kick. Then I have cross, hook, cross, switch kick. And I'll move. Don't stay in the same spot. Move. Jab, cross, hook, kick. Move. Cross, hook, cross, switch kick. Okay? Jab, cross, hook, kick, cross, hook, cross, switch kick. Now, if you're feeling comfortable with that, you can speed up that switch kick. So I will throw that Irish jig move while I'm throwing that last cross. So I'm going cross, hook, cross. That's when I switch. So that kick comes right after the cross. Before, we were doing cross, hook, cross, switch kick. This one is cross, hook, cross, kick. Switch your hips as you're throwing that cross. And you can practice that over and over. Don't forget your hands. Keep them up by your face.